Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have my husband here.
Hello everyone.
And India. So in today's video we are going to review a product from GoPro, which is GoPro HERO 8. And because my husband is here, he will help me to review the camera. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the box we got yesterday actually, and actually somebody already opened, so yeah.
Just wanted to make sure everything we ordered are there. Actually we ordered like around 10 items, GoPro 8 Black with essential.
These are all the one we ordered. Actually this one we bought the GoPro promotion. They have $100 off. If you guys want to check that out, you can check in the description below. I will put the link there. And also because we applied GoPro Plus subscription, and we've got 50% off for the accessories. So make sure to subscribe my channel, and my husband will do the review right now.
Okay guys, let's unbox this GoPro HERO 8 Black. We have to open from the down. Okay, so when you open the box, you can see all the features supported by this HERO 8. It has 12 megapixel and 4K 60, 180p 240, and it has slow motion 8 times. A feature in GoPro 8 is Hyper Smooth 2.0 and Time Wrap 2.0. And with GoPro 8 now you can live stream with 1080p, and there are features like Live Burst, Super Photo HDR, and you can also take raw videos and photos. And there are features like talking assistants and all. This also has GPS, like you can locate where is it. So this is the unboxed GoPro HERO 8. Let me open this clip here and latch this clip here, and you just need to gently push forward and then it comes out. So let's go through the other contents in the box. These are some text, literature. It comes with the Type-C USB connector. They are giving one sticker. I heard that they used to give two, but from this they gave only one. Here is the battery. It is so small, but GoPro 8 HERO 8 batteries now comes with a blue edge. So this is how it looks like. And they have this sticker. It's just a dummy we need to remove. This here is a door for the battery and memory card and everything. This side, it's a power as well as the mode button, and on top of it this one is a shutter button. And the new thing in GoPro 8 is latches. These are removable. Here you see they have screws here, 4 screws. You can remove those 4 screws and you can replace this. This is how we open this door. We just push this down and then we pull it from sideways. And here you can see here the power and the Type-C, and you can see here inside you can put your memory card. To install the battery inside this GoPro 8, you need to make sure this strap here is pointing down, like pointing this side to the down. Also the blue border is downside, and you just put it like this, and that's it. So to install this memory card, So you see the screen here, right? And yeah, the top side should be facing towards you, and or you can say like this should face towards the battery here, and you put inside here and you just push it inside gently until you hear the click, and you close the door. Until you hear the voice, and there you go, it starts. So I also purchased a GoPro Plus subscription, which has a lot of advantages. They give you limited cloud storage, and also if your GoPro damages, they will replace it without asking anything. Okay guys, now let's see how to set up GoPro Hero 8 Black. First thing, we need to start this. You see here the mode or power on button, power off button. You need to click the press that for like about a second or two, and then you will see the GoPro logo, and then it will ask you language. I will go with the English, and then it will ask you some agreements. I will just agree, and it will ask you about the GPS, whether should on the GPS or not for the capturing the location for the videos and the photos. I will go with on, and then it will say like install the GoPro app on your iPhone to finish the setup. So I already installed it. So when you install, this is the interface you will see. So next thing is basically on this interface you will go and click the first tab. There are multiple tabs here related to various things, like this one is actually your stored videos and all. Right now I don't have any media here, and this one here is the cloud. For example, I have a subscription, I will see my media in this cloud. First tab, you can add cameras here. So I'm going to press this button, add camera. It says we found your GoPro, so just say connect camera, and it will ask you to Bluetooth pairing request, say pair. You see this, it's woke up, and also it will ask you the name. You can change the name. I will just go by the default. It says my name and the Hero 8 Black. I will say save new name, and it says it will look for any updates available initially. So I see there is an update, so I will go ahead and say update camera. So when you click that, it will ask you for joining the GoPro on your Wi-Fi network. I will say join. So the settings will be automatically sent to GoPro, and then it will connect to internet. So here you see the latest version right now I have is 1.60. So I'm going to update it. I'm going to accept. Now it's going to transfer files, and you can see here on the GoPro it's blinking. That means the files are transferring. This might take a few minutes, so I go ahead and I will come back once this is done. Okay, now it's saying it is installing. It has been downloaded now. So it says don't go anywhere, do not exit the GoPro app or turn off your camera during this process. So now you can see something happening in GoPro is actually installing the update. Update failed. I will try again. Okay, so guys, what happened is like my automatic update is failed for some reason, but there is a workaround. So I will show you how to update manually if you are failing the automatic update. So this requires your laptop, micro SD. So what you need to do is you need to go to gopro.com/update. So when you go there, you will see this screen, update your GoPro products. So you need to choose your camera. Mine is Hero 8 Black. Instead of going this path, you need to go down and you need to choose this update your camera manually. So in this page here, you need to provide your serial number and the email ID, and then you need to agree this and then say next steps. To get the serial number, there are several ways. You can also get the help from these pictures over here, and you will see the serial number in this area. Or if your camera is already registered with the GoPro app, you can go to settings and you can choose the account and account center, the devices. There also you can see the serial number. So here in this page you can see it says download the update to your folder to your computer, allowed. And the second step is like you need to insert your camera's micro SD card into your computer, and then you need to transfer the update file to your micro SD card. This will be actually a .zip file, but you need to copy, you need to extract that update folder inside the zip, and then you have to copy that update folder into your micro SD, not the zip file. Now you can see it is downloaded, and this update folder has these three files. So we need to copy this update into your micro SD. So now I have the SD card update folder, and I kept the battery inside, and now I'm going to start. You have to verify that your update is complete or not. You just need to go to the preferences and go down to your about, and then camera information. It should say the version here 1.60. That means your version is updated successfully.
Okay guys, so my husband have done the video, and hope you guys like it, and if you feel the video is helpful, please give this video a thumbs up.
And see you next video. Bye.
And this recorded in the GoPro.